Dear hopefuls, it is Wednesday the 18th of July, which means I'm actually a day early filming this and it'll actually go up on time for the first time in weeks. So this past week has been a busy one, but it's been a very bitty week. It's been a great week. So this week's video is sort of just a few bits from the past few days. Starting with Friday, where we had the first rain that we've had in weeks, and then we haven't had any more since, but it's fine. And then on Sunday, my mum and I drove up to Newcastle, which is like a good 5-hour drive up to see my brother, and so there's bits from the weekend there. And we went to a place called Seaton Sluice, which is a beach, and we went to a old house which is called Seaton Delaval Hall, which was actually destroyed by, well, the interior was destroyed by fire. It was really interesting to see. So there's a few clips from there. And then we spent some time in Newcastle and around Newcastle, and then we drove home. So yeah, that's been my week. So here is a compilation of my week. So this is the first heavy rain we've had in weeks, and I love it. Except I'm meant to be going to photograph a sporting event in I need to leave in the next couple of minutes. It's absolutely pouring it down. Good thing the sporting event I'm photographing is indoors. But I still have to get from my car to the sports hall where it's taking place. But saying that, I've still got to get from my room to my car and then drive in this, and I hate driving in the rain. Good thing I have an umbrella, eh?
I need a selfie with Martin. I realised walking around I got a selfie with everybody. Except with Martin. I want to be used the best, I think, though. Now I've just got to there in the background of it.
Yeah.
I've got one with Aaron. I think now I'm going to go across with those. I've got one with you.
There we go.
It's not painful.
Has been my week, and Sam, Harry Potter, I love it. I've read the series I want to say 12 or more times, and I'm currently listening to Deathly Hallows on Audible, which is great. I love it. Don't have to hold a book, you know, no risk of dropping it on my face. I've also been playing the Harry Potter mystery game. I'm only in year 2 at the moment, but I'm really enjoying it. I'm a Slytherin, which I don't know if that's very obvious or not, but yeah, I'm a Slytherin. My brother is a Hufflepuff. My dad, I'd say, is probably Ravenclaw, and my mum a Gryffindor. So we cover all bases in our house. And the would you rather questions, I've had a think. So I'd rather have floating candles, I'd rather have a wand, I'd rather go to the Christmas feast, I'd rather go to the Quidditch match, I'd rather have a cat, and I'd rather give someone I don't like a love potion than be given a love potion by someone I don't like. So yeah, I will see you back here next Thursday. Bye!